Okay, in the first class, introduction of aldehydes ketones, we have discussed all the introduced point and general formula as well. Some of the important compounds they are used in fragrance and flavors like that. Now we'll continue. Aldehydes ketones. There is a list. It is for common and IUPAC names of few of the aldehydes and ketones. In the first column, I have taken structure. That structure is HCHO. HCHO, its name, common name is formaldehyde, and its IUPAC name is said to be methanol. How it comes methanol? There is one carbon in the compound. Definitely you can call it as methane. End name E is replaced by Al. It is for aldehydes. E is replaced by Al is for aldehydes. Therefore, it is methanal. Second compound is also aldehyde, CH3CHO. CH3CHO, acetaldehyde is common name. There are two carbon atoms, hence two carbon atoms and aldehyde group. Two carbon atoms means ethane, and name is ethanol. Like that you have to use. This is CH3 twice, CHCHO. Total number of carbon atoms are said to be 4. Definitely it is butane compound. How it is butane? There is one branch CH3 group. Hence it is isobutyraldehyde. Its common name is isobutyraldehyde. And its IUPAC name becomes on the carbon 2. Methyl group is there. Therefore 2-methyl propanol. Straight chain is containing only 3 carbon atoms, hence it becomes propanol. On the carbon 2 there is a methyl group, it becomes 2-methyl propanol. Next is CH3CHOCH3. This OCH3 is for the carbon, that is functional group. Next carbon is called as alpha carbon, hence it is alpha methoxy. This OCH3 is called as methoxy, and there are totally 1 2 3 propionaldehyde. ಇದು ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ನಾಗ ಬರತೈತಿ, ಅದರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗತೈತಿ ಇದು ಮಿಥಾಕ್ಸಿ. ಇದರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಲ್ಫಾ, ಅಲ್ಫಾ ಮಿಥಾಕ್ಸಿ ಪ್ರೊಪಿಯೋನಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್, and its IUPAC name is 2-methoxypropanol. 2-methoxypropanol. 1 2 carbon ಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತದ್ದು, hence it is 2-methoxypropanol. Next is CH2 double bond CHCHO. CH2 double bond CHCHO, its common name is acrolein. Acrolein, definitely 1 2. On carbon 2 there is a functional group, that is double bond. Therefore main compound is propane. Prop 2En 1Al. Prop 2En 1Al. That means on carbon 2 functional, that is unsaturated double bond En, and is CHO group. Hence it is 1Al. Main compound is parent hydrocarbon propane. Benzene ring, it is containing 1 2 position CHO group. Such type of compounds IUPAC name are said to be thaldehyde. P silent here, thaldehyde. Benzene is there. On 1 2 aldehyde groups are there. Therefore benzene 1 2 dicarbaldehyde. Benzene 1 2 dicarbaldehyde. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಂಜಿನ್ ರಿಂಗ್ನಾಗ ಸಪೋಸ್ CHO ಇದ್ದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಕಾರ್ಬಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಂಜಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಅನ್ರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಬೆಂಜಿನ್ ಕಾರ್ಬಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಅನ್ರಿ. ಈಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಬೆಂಜಿನ್ಗೆ 2 ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ದಾಗ ಏನದಾವು CHO ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅದಾವು. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ 1 2 ಬೆಂಜಿನ್ 1 2 ಡೈಕಾರ್ಬಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್. Okay, next compound is said to be benzene ring CHO. Third position is Br. Therefore it is ಆರ್ಥೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೆಟಾ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಕೈತಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕರೆಯಬೇಕು, ಮೆಟಾಬ್ರೋಮೋ ಬೆನ್ಸಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್. ಮೆಟಾಬ್ರೋಮೋ ಬೆನ್ಸಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್, ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ನಂಬರಿಂಗ್ 1 2 3, it becomes 3 ಬ್ರೋಮೋ ಬೆನ್ಸಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್. 3 ಬ್ರೋಮೋ ಬೆನ್ಸಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಆರ್ 3 ಬ್ರೋಮೋ ಬೆಂಜಿನ್ ಕಾರ್ಬಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀಬಹುದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ CH3COCH3. CH3COCH3, it is nothing but ketone. Name, common name is acetone, and its IUPAC name becomes propane. There are totally 3 straight chain carbon atoms, propane to ONE. Ketones ಬಂದಾಗ end name is replaced by ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ONE ಅನ್ನ replace ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Next CH3COCH2 twice CH3, that means 1 2 3 4 5. There are totally 5 carbon atoms in the straight chain, definitely it is said to be ketone is there. This is a methyl and this is said to be complete agi propyl anta ತಗೋತೀವಿ. methyl n propyl ketone, methyl n propyl ketone. Why it is called n? Because all are said to be in a straight chain. Its name becomes pentane, 2-ONE. On carbon 2 there is a functional group ketone, hence it is pentane, 2-ONE. Next is, this is a cyclohexane. It is containing double bond O and CS3. Therefore, this is a ketone on position to methyl group. Hence, it is called as alpha. The next carbon ಏನಂತೀವಿ alpha ಅಂತೀವಿ. Alpha methyl cyclohexanone. Alpha methyl cyclohexanone. Instead of alpha, I will take 2 methyl cyclohexanone. Next compound is CS3. Twice CS3 twice C double bond CHCO CS3. Its common name is said to be mesitile oxide. Common name is mesitile oxide. Formula is CS3 twice C double bond CHCO CS3 and its IUPAC name is 4-methyl pent 4-methyl pent 3EN 4-methyl 1 2 3. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದರೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಿಥೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 1 2 3 ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನಿಗೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಮಿಥೈಲ್. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 4-methyl pent. Why it is pent? Because there are 5 carbon atoms. 3 ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಅಂತೀವಿ 1 2 3 ಮೂರನೇ ಕಾರ್ಬನಿಗೆ ಏನೈತಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಐತಿ. hence it is En and 2-ONE. Why it is 2-ONE? 1 2 ಎರಡನೇ ಕಾರ್ಬನಿಗೆ ಏನೈತಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಐತಿ. 4-methyl pent 3En 2-ONE is said to be this compound IUPAC name. Common name is mesitile oxide. ಇವುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ questions, how they ask the questions, they will give one of the compound, write its IUPAC name. Say for example, they will give this benzene ring and 1 2 positions, you can say that CHO group, hence its IUPAC name becomes benzene 1,2-dicarbaldehyde. Benzene 1,2-dicarbaldehyde. Like that. The questions they ask. Important compounds name, IUPAC names. Now I will give few of the questions you have to solve. How the naming of these aldehydes and ketones. Practice in home. Just few of the compounds I will represent here. Write IUPAC name. Write IUPAC name of the following. Various compounds. Just I will give few of the compounds. First one is said to be, I will take as CHO. It is not a benzene, it is cyclohexane. Second is double bond O, CH3. Third is, you have to take 1 2 3 CH3 CH2 CH2. Sorry, CH double bond CH CHO. Fourth one is C double bond O CH3. Fifth one is CHO NO2. Sixth is CS3 twice CH, CS3 twice CH, CO, CO, CH, CH3 twice. And seventh is CS3CH2, CS3CH2CO, CH2CHO, and eighth is I have to take CH3 CH2 3 times, CH2 3 times CHO. Okay, now to solve. The next class will continue structure and some of the preparation of compounds.